So now we will learn the stair. Stair part is not important for the MEP modelers, but for the architecture, it's a very big concept for them. So I'm just making a simple stairs. I'm picking a U-shape winder or full step spiral. Okay, two types of stairs I can create for you, just like this. Here also the same concept. By space button you can rotate the, just rotating it, placing over here. Okay, once I place it, then I need to make a finish. Once you finish it, it will create a stairs. See, I created stairs at level 1. Automatically it will connect to level 2. Okay, now I'll tell you one another concept. Now how the one who will, how we will go up if the upper floor is closed. So at that time we just have to go to the level 2, select that floor, and there is an option edit boundary. Okay, in the edit boundary you have to cut the portion. You have to cut the portion from start of the stairs to end of it, and if you just select finish, that portion will cut. If you see in the 3D view, now the portion which is blocking my stairs, it will open. How? By selecting the upper floor and go to the edit boundary, and we have edit the boundary nearest to stairs. Now it will cut my that portion while finish. Now my stairs comes properly as per that. Anyone has any question? Okay, I'm repeating
Yes,
this
sir.
concept again. Okay, go to the level 2 floor, use a edit boundary. How much boundary you will cross there, it will make a boundary of cut section there. Noted? Now I will close this boundary with one another option that we call railing. Okay, railing. So I'm making one another, that much section I cut from there. I'm making one more railing boundary there. Okay, just removing this, removing front, or I can make till here only. Okay, so I have created railings there. You see the railings, boundary of it. Okay, everyone, I hope you are understanding. Now I cut the portion, I put the railing. Now for future perspective, I'm creating one more railing by selecting railing and using rectangle or byline. You can select railing. See the 3D view, the railing is created here. Okay, now one more thing, you can change the types of railing as well. This is a handrail rectangular, some glass panel bottom fill. This is another type of railing. You can see in the realistic view it will be different. A glass type railing, or if you wanted to make a change, you can change to the guardrail pipe. There are several options are there. You can make as per your convenience. Okay, now one more concept I'm telling you here, that I have created this one floor and I wanted to make the same for all floor. How should I do the copy? Go to the any elevation view. Okay, select all whatever you model, and just make sure that by pressing shift button unselect the bottom floor. Okay, unselect the deselect bottom floor and you can make a copy of it. Copy to clipboard and then there is an option paste drop down. Now do the align to selected levels. First floor level 1 no need to pick. Level 2, level 3, level 4 till level 4 just select and press OK. So it will copy all your model content to till top floor and you can make your multi-story building. How to do the batch copy now you got to know, and why I have created this till the top floor and why I created extra boundary wall or the handrail on the floor. I hope now you understand. Clear to everyone?
Sir, explain this option. I want to know how you
Um,
did this multiple copy.
okay. By just going to any elevation view, in the elevation view you will be selecting everything by cross window, selecting everything, deselect the bottom floor. Why I have to deselect? If I'm going to copy this floor as well, so it will come at this place, right? So it will make a overlap of it. So just do the deselect the bottom floor, copy it and then paste to align to selected levels except 1 and 5. Pick all those levels or till which level you wanted to make a copy. For an example, you just wanted to make a copy of it at level 3. Just paste it. So it will just make a copy of it level 3. Or if you wanted to make another type of copy, just select all, deselect one and make a copy of it by using copy and select level to level by constraint of and make a copy of it here. This is one another example to do the copy. Batch copy, single copy, both. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Select and use a copy option. Select the reference point by removing constraint and make copy of it. Okay? See, this is how we do the copy, paste, multiple alignments, multiple trim and extend, multiple batch copies, group, ungroup, and make adjustment in the group. Anyone has any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I'm telling you the one another concept of glass wall. See, if you are going to create wall, there are glass wall. Okay, you have to create glass walls. There are three different types of glass walls are available in the property window. You can see I'm making one and one. One normal curtain wall, second exterior glazing, and third is storefront. There are three types of glass walls are there. Okay, so one simple, another is storefront, third one is a glazing type. Okay, how you are going to use the glazing, how you are going to use the glass, I'm telling you one by one. Okay, what is the glazing? Even though if you already having one glass part normal wall, you can change it to the curtain wall. You can see the difference here. It this wall becomes, previously it was a this generic wall, outside wall. Now it is making a glass wall. We can select and we can make a change of it. Glazing, having some grids in a storefront with a proper, you can say in layman language, with the aluminum framing and stud. Okay. Now if I wanted to create this stud, how do I sorry. Okay, I'm telling you one simple example by creating wall. beside of it I'm creating one wall, making one wall as a normal curtain wall. Okay, now I'm going to the 3D view, making some changes. There are some curtain grid system. Okay, this is curtain grid system. We can create a grids as per our requirement. There is a all segment, there is a one segment, and all except peak. There are different options are there. This is one segment. Okay, now this is one segment. One segment means only one portion. All segment means complete wall portion. One segment means between two grid lines you can pick a sections. Small if you wanted to make it. Okay, now the same thing if you wanted to make, you have to use a Boolean option for framing. Just pick the wall, the grids you created, you have to select those by clicking. It will make a, there is one option grid line segment, single grids, 1 2 3 4. Okay, what is the grid you prepared, like that you can make a millions of it, or all grids, whatever the grids you have created, just select single all grid lines, it will make a millions of it. Noted. If you wanted to select something, now by pressing tab button you can select single and you can delete that as well. Select it by pressing tab button. Now this is a one panel. Okay, now I will tell you how to make a glass door. See, this is the one portion I wanted to create. See, if I'm going to place a normal door here, see, select, create similar. If I'm going to place a door here, it will not come at the glass door. Normal wall pe, you can create a door directly, but at the glass wall you have to place glass doors, right? Now, how you are going to place the glass door? There is a very tricky concept here. Okay, first you have to go to the door and you have to go to the load family, and from here you have to pick the door category. Where is the door? Okay, door, and there are three door families are there. Curtain wall double glass, curtain wall storefront, curtain wall single glass. I'm placing a curtain wall double storefront. Okay, I'm picking, but it is not coming directly here. Okay, so we have to go to the insert. There is a load family and choose a door family inserted in the model, but it is not appearing through the door. Normal door is coming, right? Now go to the 3D view. Whatever the grid segment you have selected, you have to press tab button till that portion is selected. This portion is selected now. Now go to the property. There is a already door curtain wall stone we have added right now. Just select it. It will take the dimension of it and it will place the door automatically there. It's a tricky part, not useful for the MEP engineers, only for the architectural guys. But we have to just understand the concept of it, how Revit works, how to use the Revit for the tricky parts. I hope everyone is not understand, but still I'm going to repeat those part again. Okay, I'm going to first. Okay, here I'm making glass wall. I'm repeating the concept. Okay, I just make a glass wall, then using a grid, curtain grid, make a 6 feet difference of it. If you want to make changes, you can make a changes, and then I'm going to select one segment, making one grid, height of 7 feet. Okay, 7 by 5 is my door size I picked. Now, now I'm going to select this portion, and then I'm going to pick a door there. Okay, I'm repeating again. For an example, this door is not are not available in my property window. So currently only,
Sir, by making grid, you are breaking the glasses in piece, sir.
yes, that's how we have to install the door inside it, na?
Okay.
Okay. Now, for an example, there is only one door option is available here. I wanted to insert or another door option. Okay. So go to the insert, go to the load family, then choose one another type of door. Okay. Just open it, means load into it. Now select by using tab button, put your mouse pointer nearest to it and press the tab button until it's highlighted. Once it highlighted, click on it. Once you click, it will be the system panel glass. Now you have to change to the door, curtain, wall, double glass. Now you can select the door. Go to the level 1. You will see the door option is there. Okay. You can make changes by space button by moving inside or outside. I hope now everyone got understand how to make a door, how to insert the door into the glass wall. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone has any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So we are stopping our class portion for the architectural here. From tomorrow, we are going to work on commercial project. We are making one commercial architectural plan, and on that plan only we are going to develop our mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and firefighting things in that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Till here, anyone has any questions? Any doubts?